Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to link Google Sheet data across multiple Google accounts. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Google Sheet you want to pull data from. Click Share and add your second account, the one you will be linking the data into. Set the access to Viewer or Editor depending on what you need, then hit Send. Make sure to copy the link of this sheet. Now switch to your other account, the one that will receive the data. In a cell, write source link and paste the link in the next cell. Now go back to source sheet and memorize the range that we want to import. In our case, it's A1 to E9. Go back to other sheet and write import range in a cell and type A1 to E9 next to it. Now we are going to use the import range formula to import data from another account. Type equal import range bracket and then select the URL cell, then press comma and then select the range cell. Now press enter and this will import the data from another sheet using a different email. It's that simple. This is perfect for syncing reports, updates or dashboards across personal and work accounts without manually copying anything. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.